Hello everyone, Mr. John here from Areteem Institute with this week's Thursday Tidbit. Today we're going to be talking about how to find the number of factors of a number. Looking at an example, suppose we want to know how many factors 504 has. So we have our number here, 504, and the first step we want to take is looking at the prime factorization of 504. Right, there's lots of different ways to do this. A lot of you might do factor trees. So 504 is 56 times 9. 56 can be broken down into 7 and 8. That 8 is, of course, a 2 cubed. This 9 is, of course, a 3 squared. So if we write everything out, then we have 504 written with its prime factorization as 2 cubed times 3 squared times 7. Now, let me just put a 1 here, and because that comes into play with finding the number of factors. So if we're looking at the factors in this case, we can look at all of the exponents. So we have a 2 cubed, a 3 squared, and a 7 to the first power. And so then, if we're looking at the number of factors, we take all of those exponents and add 1. So 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 7 to the first power, so 1 plus 1. Don't forget that even if it's just the first power. So this is 4 times 3 times 2. And so multiplying this out, we get 24. So this has 24 factors in this example. So you find the prime factorization, you take all the exponents, add 1, multiply them together, and that will give you the number of factors that we have. Just looking at a more formal, kind of complete formula for this. So if we have the prime factorization of a number n is p1 to the e1, p2 to the e2, up to pk to the ek, as we mentioned, right, the procedure is you look at all of the exponents. We have an e1, e2, all the way up to ek, and then you add 1 to all of those numbers, and then in total, that will give you the number of factors. So if this number here has the prime factorization p1 to the e1, blah, 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 then we take e1 plus 1 times e2 plus 1 all the way up to ek plus 1, and multiplying those out gives us the total number of factors. So, thank you for watching this short video on the number of factors. Check back each Thursday for a new math tidbit in 2021. And for free daily practice, check out ziml.areteem.org for some great things as well. Goodbye.